Recently, I have got a call from my old friend, Mr. Philip Ong. He told me that during the lockdown, we don't have much chance to take photography outdoor. So he asked me to organize a mini shootout between us. The rules are up to me to fix. So where do we shoot? And here we are, Network Restaurant and Bar. This is a very nice and chic restaurant and bar where they have a very nice interior designs and cool corners. So it is up to our creativity how to make the best out of this location. Hello Philip.
Hi.
This is my friend I'm talking about.
Hi.
So Philip, today since you asked me to organize a shoot, so I did a mini shootout lah. And I'm going to use this EOS R paired with this 50mm F1.2 lens with the Canon 600EX Speedlite as a flash system. So what do you have on your side?
Okay, I brought the MagMod MagBox 24. Okay. And I also brought some accessories with me. So we have color gel, we have grid, we have a sphere and some bounce. So I think we are up for the challenge today.
So feel free to use anything that you brought.
Okay, yeah, correct? Definitely.
Okay, so the rules are that each of us will have 15 minutes each set to shoot 2 sets of a model. At the end of the shots, then we will go through our favorite shots and we will explain why we use this method to write up our photos. Is that alright?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, so let's get started. So what is inside the bag?
Yeah. This is the 24 inches MagBox. Very quick to set up.
Okay.
Just one push. On this side we have the other accessories that we will use today. It's a speed ring.
Okay.
This is the diffuser, and this is the grip for head, and this is the holder. So everything fits into one bag.
So it's magnetized, this thing?
It is magnetized. Everything is magnetized. That is why it's called MagMod.
So it's just clip in place.
Yep. Follow the yellow color tab.
Okay.
So I'm loosening out this grip.
Okay.
So that it fits well. What's next is to fix this onto this. Magnetize again. So remove it. You want it to be line of sight. Mount on. Clip in.
That's all.
Yep, we're done. So this goes here so that we can hold it. Now this, I have to remove this first.
Okay.
Mount this in. And it has a lock by itself.
Hello Joyce.
Hi.
This is Joyce, so our model for today. Okay Joyce, today we have a photo challenge between me and him by shooting the same model. So each of us will have 15 minutes for 2 sets. So we will bring you to any corners of this restaurant and bar to create nice stunning photos for you. Okay? Okay, looking forward. So let's get started.
Yeah, let's do it.
Go.
Let's go. Okay, so now we have completed the first set of the 15 minutes with Joyce. So now Joyce will put on her second best dress. We will continue for our second set of shots, alright?
Sure, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Let's go. So we have done our 2 sets of shots.
Yep.
So let me share with you mine. I placed her near the stairways there.
Okay.
Actually, because I saw the lights there quite unique. So I like the lights. And I use the camera's ETTL. I just let the camera decide the ambient light for me.
Okay.
And then just use the MagMod to modify the lights for me. So I place the lights somewhere between her left-hand side.
Okay.
From top to shine it down. So I can get a very nice side lights to complement with the environment light. So this is the shot that we get. Because she also has a very good feminine
features.
So I can get her all her lines very well defined with the lights that shines on her. So I think to me this is one of the best shots that I've got for today.
When I saw the setting inside the bar, I saw a long table.
Okay.
And I saw how the light hit the table, and I wanted to bring her silhouette of the contour out. So with only one light, which is a very big challenge. Normally a setting like this, I'll use 2 to 3 lights because I want to light up the background. And I tried to move her on the table and then ask her to pose in a very relaxed manner so that she curves her leg, and that brings out the contour. And I want to take that portion, which is very much like a silhouette, but I feather the light so that it brings up her face as well. Alright. At the same time, it lights up a little bit of the background.
Oh, okay. Good.
Okay. So this image is it's going to be like a centerpiece. So back to you for set number 2.
It's a very nice shot actually.
Thank you very much.
So this is my set 2. Set 2, I choose the interior inside the restaurant and bar. So what I did is I saw this corner which is very nice, well lit. So I want to make use of the lens big aperture to complement this because it's quite dark inside. So I use the MagMod modifier to use the flash just to bounce off some light onto her face. So I can see very good light at the background and foreground. I have the nice bokeh as well, and the flash just like a pin a little bit on her left-hand side.
So it's a fill-in light?
It's a fill light, yes. So I get this kind of the soft shots. This is what my second shots look like.
I think it's a very nice beauty shot.
Yes, it's a very nice beauty shot.
It brings out that character in her, her sweet character. I think this is nice, and the background has a very nice pastel color to it as well.
And also all the details in the dress also are all shown here. So this is my second set of my shots. So let's go to yours.
It's mine now.
Okay.
Because when I saw Joyce wearing her dress, it was already very floral, a lot of lace. So I wanted something more simplistic, something more elegant. And when I saw the mirror, the gold trim mirror at the entrance of the restroom, I thought that would be interesting. Now, but one thing is, the whole day we were shooting ETTL.
Yes.
And ETTL with a background mirror is a bit difficult. So I had to switch to manual. I have to compensate the flash. I have to reduce it by 1.5 stops. And then increase my aperture from 1.8 earlier we shot. I move it to f8. So I get a right balance of sharpness all around. So this shot is what I want. I wanted her to sit on the gold trim cabinet with her head right in the middle of the mirror. And with the 2 different tones of wall, I get some contrast there, And with the light coming from one angle, a bit more like split lighting. Even though split lighting can be a bit harsh, but then I think we compensate well with the diffuser from MagMod. It softens the light, and when we angle the light right a little bit from a full-on split, then the light is soft enough and falls off. The fall off is, I think, pretty good.
This is a very nice photo. Please feel free to comment below, so we will try to answer your questions. Alright? My side on the camera part and the photography part, and if you want to know more about MagMods, Philip is the expert on light modifier. Alright? Okay, thank you, Philip. Let's do this again soon.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye.